You just open Power BI for the first time and everything looks confusing. You're already confused already by all the buttons and icons on the page. So in this video, I will explain the Power BI interface in a very simple way for absolute beginners. So if you are starting data analysis, this is a perfect place to begin. So this is what Power BI looks like when you open it. And Power BI is a tool that you use to analyze data and create dashboard and report in data analysis. Now, let me quickly explain the most important parts you need to know as a beginner. So here is my interface. There you have your menu ribbon where you have file, home, insert, modeling, optimize. So in a home ribbon, this is where you will find most of the tools you'll be using, like get data. This is where you import your data, any type of data you want. Could be Excel file, PDF, text file, CSV. So you can also transform here. You can transform data here, and you can also refresh to get back your information or to refresh to update your data from the database. But I'm just telling you the most important thing you need as a beginner. So on my left side of the page, we have 5 icons here. Now let's look at the icons on the left. The first one here is your report view. This is where you create charts, dashboard, visuals, reports. This is currently where we are. This page we are. Where you say add your report, add data to your report. This is your report view where you design your dashboard and features. Then the next one is your table view. Table view will give you if I've uploaded data here, I will see how this file will look like in rows and columns, just like in Excel. Then the third one here is talk about the model view. This is where you map your data, your columns. You call mapping here. You create a relationship, connect tables together. Then we have your DAX query view and TMDF view too here. So that last the right side we have filter, visualization, and data. The filter is used to helps you to filter your data, what you want or what you want to visualize. Then under visualization, this is where you select the kind of chart you want to use. And under data will show you, data field will show you all the columns and tables you are working on. So bottom part, we have the view, we have a desktop view and mobile view and table pages. Just like in Excel, we have different sheets. Here we can add up all pages you want, create new pages to design different visualization. All right, so and that is a very simple breakdown for Power BI interface for beginners. So in my next video, I will show you how to import your first data set into Power BI, and we'll start creating visuals, cleaning data, and doing a lot on this video on this with Power BI. So follow me for more simple Power BI lessons. See you next in my next video. Bye.